Hey guys, it's been a minute. I finally dropped my video on how to conquer imposter syndrome as a creative. Definitely check it out if you haven't seen it already. In that video, I have this scene. This scene is actually in reverse, as I wanted it to be a revealing shot of everything I just hyped in the video. I did this in Premiere Pro by first right or double clicking on the clip I'm looking to reverse, and then selecting speed/duration. Then in the pop-up, you'll see a checkbox for reverse speed. Go ahead and check that and hit OK. Now when you play the clip back, the footage plays in reverse. If you found this information valuable, please make sure to like the video for the YouTube algorithm for others to find this video as well. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss videos just like this one that I'll be posting in the future. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.